hear all this. So let me just start. How are you guys doing after today?
We keep saying one day at a time, but these type of days are ones that really push you hard, for sure.
Is there anything that came out from these filings, from this report, that gave you any kind of answers that you might have been looking for about what happened?
We learned brand new things. Those details that were put in those docs were never given to us. They were given to strangers before they were given to us. It's shocking that a family doesn't get any kind of priority, even heads up. We asked for discovery. They said they'd give it to us, but they never did. So yeah, we're working with legislators. We're going to try to fix this. Idaho has Bill 1135 that hopefully will protect this type of information and make sure that it never gets out. Especially he pled 4 cases of murder, capital, all of them, and in the same breath he waived his rights to even challenge it. So why does this need to come out? All these details. I mean, these are like mortician details. It has nothing to do with a case that's never going to happen.
Just to be clear, you're saying, did you even know it was going to come out today, or were you just shocked? Were you shocked by that?
We had no idea. We had no heads up, none whatsoever. It goes to the media before it does us, and
that's awful.
We just find out through our phone starts going off.
That's awful. That's awful. And now you are confronted with this. People will say this information can help maybe shed some light into the timeline of the attack, the intention of this. The injuries sustained by all 4 were awful. But the injuries sustained by Kaylee and Maddie and where they were positioned and how many injuries they sustained to their face and neck, does this give you an indication that Bryan Kohberger was targeting them specifically?
No, I think there's some timing advance records that kind of lead me to believe that it was another person that they were looking for. I mean, Matt might have been part of that, but there was 2 individuals. But I think all the families tried not to go down a road where we blamed each other, or we tried to say one person's kid was more responsible or had a role in this or something like that. We tried to keep it. Unfortunately, we had to do this all together, and pointing at each other wasn't something we were willing to do.
No, and by the way, I didn't know that you didn't know this information that was coming out before today. You mentioned that I believe you're going to be meeting with the governor. What are you hoping the change will be?
It's things like this. You can't. We had a prosecutor who was extremely weak. He was way over his head. He didn't know what he's doing, and he hid these. There's a reason 6 months later these things are coming out, because he never would have had the support of his community if these would have came out and said, hey, I'm going to go make a plea deal with this guy, and I'm not going to get the details of all the surroundings, the when, where, what, and how you did this. He didn't feel like he had to do that, and he hid all this stuff, and now that it's coming out, we're going to talk to the governor and say, hey, we can do better than this. And, that means we got to do laws. We can't just let one person act like a judge and jury and make a deal. And then, we live with it for the rest of our lives. And 6 months later, we're finding out new details of, the worst moments of our children's lives. It seems like a nightmare that this couldn't be legal. But, we hope to make sure that it isn't legal in Idaho in the future.
And talking about legality, you and the other families have filed a wrongful death lawsuit against Washington State University, where Kohberger had been attending. Can you tell us the status of that and what you're looking for there?
We're looking for accountability. I don't have an update on it. We expect to hear something this week, but when you reverse engineer everything that happened, we feel like there's lapse in accountability. And if that's anything we've tried to bring to this case, is how do we make sure this never happens to another family again? And if there was things that were missed, let's make sure that we address those and we make our community and our world a better place, so nobody has to deal with this again. And that's what this is all about.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.